With this groundbreaking feat, India becomes the first nation to successfully land a spacecraft on Moon's south pole. Chandrayaan 3 touched down on Moon's south pole at 6:04 p.m. today. The Chandrayaan 3 mission's success not only elevate India's status in space exploration but also serves as an inspiration for aspiring scientists, engineers, and dreamers across the nation. Such achievements hold great promise for future space exploration endeavor. Indeed, India's achievement with Chandrayaan 3 reinforce the notion that the sky is not the limit but rather the beginning of a limitless journey into the realms of explorations and discovery. My heartfelt gratitude to ISRO and our scientists for their undeterred efforts to make this mission a historic success. Jai Hind.